When someone's pregnant with twins, it's high risk. And so there are a lot of things that can go wrong with twins. One of the things that can go wrong is the babies can be delivered prematurely. And when a baby is delivered prematurely, they can suffer brain damage or injury just due to the fact that they are premature. So there are ways to avoid being delivered prematurely, and there are things that you can look to. And many times I've found cases where there was an infection that wasn't treated appropriately, or the mom had needed a cervical cerclage, which is a little stitch that's placed in the cervix to hold the baby in. We look at things like that to see whether something could have been done to prevent the preterm delivery. Other things that can happen with twins occur in labor, where they're not monitored correctly, or one baby's delivered and the second baby isn't delivered soon enough, and the second baby suffers from lack of oxygen to the brain. So there are all kinds of high-risk problems that can occur with twins, and we see many, many cases of twins. We recently had a case of twins where mother was in labor and they had the fetal monitor on, but the problem with twins is a lot of times it's very difficult to continue to monitor the babies. And as the labor progressed, one of the babies was not doing well, and they didn't pick up on this. So when they finally delivered the twins, one baby had suffered brain damage from lack of oxygen to the brain, or asphyxia. And so the key here was that the nurses weren't vigilant in making sure that both babies' heartbeats were monitored. And they didn't pick up on the fact that one of the babies was not getting enough oxygen, and they should have picked up on that had they been more careful and followed the safety rules. And so we pursued that case. We were able to discover that one of the babies did not get enough oxygen from not being monitored correctly, and we were able to help that family. So if you had twins and one or both of your babies are having problems, come to us for pre-consultation. We've helped out many families with twins that babies have suffered birth injuries.